Log in Oman Arab Bank online banking. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can log in or create a account on Oman Arab Bank online banking. So first of all, you need to open a new browser tab and search for Oman Arab Bank, and after that you'll get to see many web links there, and you have to click on the Oman Arab Bank official website. And after clicking on here, you can see that it will bring you to this website. That's the official website of Oman Arab Banking. And after coming here, you have to click on OAB online, personal banking, corporate banking, whichever you like. You have to just click on there. I'll click on personal banking, and it will take me to the online login page. So for login, you can give the user ID here and give the password, and click on login, and it will log into your account. And if you are a new user and you want to register, you just have to simply click on register now. And after clicking on register now, it will need a basic account number, like you must have a Oman Arab online bank account. So you can give the account number here, and then you have to give the captcha like this image code here, and click on send OTP, and they will send an OTP to your registered number. And after clicking on enter OTP, you can continue and follow the instructions, and that's how you can register to Oman Arab online banking. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.